So in the West, what happens is, a lady, I'm not critical of the West as such, I'm just quoting a reality of life. And this is what the Orientals have also learned. Or maybe it is the West which learned this from the Orientals, I don't know. I'm not talking in the sense of division of the West and East, because this actually is a universal trend of ladies. I found it in my own house, everywhere in the world. In ordinary situations of how, in the houses, in the homes, they get up in the morning, you see them, and they're not shy, they're not ashamed. They feel confident and natural, the children see them, their husband, their brothers and sisters. But the moment you suggest to them, let's go out. Oh, look at the look at disappointment. You mean like this? What do you mean? Wait, I'll take an hour for makeup and things. Without being made up, they don't go out. While the Holy Quran says their beauty is for their kin and kith. Not only for husbands, for their brothers, for their sisters, for their children, etc. They should adorn themselves and look beautiful to them. Because home is the center of peace in Islam. But if there they look horrible, all with disheveled hair and things, and when they walk out to the street, to the market, they look so beautiful and well made up, this is not Islamic. Exactly the opposite of Islam.